Hi everyone, we have a couple pretty neat new diecast pieces into the collection this week. First up, this is a Chevy C10 pickup by Highway 61, and this is very much not a new release. And said I've been chasing this probably for at least a decade now. They've made this in a bunch of colors, solid colors, two-tones. This was, to me, the one to get, the green and the white. I was at a diecast show, well, a model car toy show this weekend, and someone brought this in and said, make me an offer, and I did, and well, here it is home with me. It's been utilized a lot and re-released by like Acme with different wheels and things like that, but this is the original. This is good old Highway 61. Comes with the tonneau cover kind of in a bag from underneath the model. There's the exposed bed. Really nice detailed grille. We have carpeting in there, simulated mats. I think even the, it'll be hard to reach, but the glove box does open, if you can make that out. Really neat detail. I really loved Highway 61. Of course, you also have scale hinges. Again, really nice to see. Scale hinges. In terms of engine, this would have been a small block, a 350 cube V8. Comes out to about 5.7 liters. Variety of outputs different by year. Ignore the dog rolling around and having fun back there. Probably about high 200s, low 300s for horsepower from memory. Again, just a really neat piece. And with it, at the same show, I found this Airstream, and it's a heavy boy. And I don't know, I think it looks great to display them together. Similar vintage, although this is probably dates back a few years before, but makes sense to show it being towed by the C10. Really neat. You can lift off the top. Seeing you've got, your little kitchenette. You got a sink in there. Really cool. No one else makes really anything like this. It is missing something there, which I'll figure it out. I could probably approximate that by cutting down a copper tube and probably putting a cap on. It's probably some kind of like breather for the stove, something like that. So this was priced at $30 at the show, and I knew it was worth between $100 and $150, so at that price I can't be mad at it. Imperfections or not. Really heavy. Really neat piece. Oh, in terms of boxes, so the Highway 61, here's for the Chevy. These boxes by Highway 61, they never hold up well. They always look beat up and battered like this. And the MotorCity box, nice big window box. This box actually held up pretty well too. I mean, these are 20-year-old plus diecasts, and it does have a certificate of authenticity. Really neat. Both neat. Really good score. We sold a bunch of cars at the show too. Still have more left to sell, of course. So that's it for this week. Everyone check out Diecast Doctor Episode 1. It's a two-parter. It's live, and there'll be a new Diecast Doctor episode on Saturday. Everyone, please like and subscribe, and have a good week.